Welcome to this week's Wicked Wild Thailand, a series for the Thai cookbook. And this week I'm going to make a beautiful steam snapper with Chinese wine and sesame. And the wonderful shopping list you will need for this is as follows. Snapper, or any whole fish that you desire. Garlic, ginger, coriander, spring onions, sesame seeds, Chinese wine, soya sauce light, and sesame oil. Now, I was down the fish market this morning and I got this beautiful little snapper here. Look at that, folks. Spilling it all over the table. This is, my friends, the easiest fish dish you will ever make, and the most tastiest. Now, first thing up, going to fill the inside with ginger and garlic, just like so. Chopped garlic, some chopped coriander, soya sauce light, pour it all over the fish. Chinese wine, sesame oil. How easy is that, folks, right? So we just pop this in the steamer, just like so. Fish doesn't take long to cook, so that's going to steam for approximately 10 minutes. But you know, all steamers, different temperatures, fast steam, slow steam. So we're going to check it, and I will show you how to tell if the fish is cooked after that. So now, halfway through, I'm going to add half of my spring onions. Wow, this smells and tastes amazing. My fish is now ready. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, it just separates off the bone like so. That's when you know your fish is cooked. Pour over all the juice, coriander, spring onions, coriander, some nice spring onions over the top like so, and sprinkle with some beautiful toasted sesame seeds. Doesn't that look amazing, folks? I can tell you it smells wonderful. My favourite part of any cooking sketch, the tasting. See how that simply lifts off the bone, just like so. I give my little Charlie first sticks.
Dad, not really poke myself.
Oh no, are you okay?
It hurt right there.
I'll give it a rub in a minute. You have a taste of that and I'm sure that'll make you feel better. You tell me what you think. Wom, wom, wom. Come. What do you think? Is that nice? Really? A little bit more?
In a minute.
In a minute. I'll finish that one. Nice and soft, isn't it? Is it soft? Is it soft? Is it soft in texture? Come.
Yeah, but I'm not
Hey,
sure.
leave the dogs. Come on. Too many distractions. Alright. Nice or not? She'd tell me if it wasn't. Alright, go and play. Well, dogs and cats. It's like a zoo in this house. There you have it, folks. How easy was that? Simple, simple, really, really easy. Those, watch the teeth. Those are from dishes from my Thai cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand, the Thai cookbook. Learned most of these recipes on the road with over 60, 70 bike trips all over Thailand. Which is what I'm sharing with you. Some of them with my own little twitch, but they're very, very similar to the authenticity of what I've seen on the road. And of course, lived in Thailand for 6 years, so don't get better than that, folks. And we've got some wonderful stories of all my bike trips in between all the recipes. And a few other stories of my life in Thailand, corrupt suppliers, and death threats and snakes in the office and things like that. Check out those stories. Thanks for watching, folks. Click on the link at the end to purchase the book should you want to. And new videos every week, so don't forget to subscribe by clicking here right over my shoulder. Thanks for watching, folks. Bon appetit.